Okay, so every year you guys wait for this. This is Blanca's Halloween Disco Porch 2019. She's got all kinds of cool new things going on. Let's have a look. Okay, this is Zombie Baby in a Cage. Blanca got herself a zombie baby off of Amazon. She took 2 laundry baskets from the dollar store, cut them in half, and put them together with zip ties to create the cage. Put some rats inside along with a zombie baby. Now, the light is an ape coin. What I did was I taped a fender washer with duct tape to the top of the basket, and then we just took the USB and ran it to a phone charger that's plugged in back over there. And I've got the remote. I can make it whatever color I want. We had it green, but with the UV lights from the eco bars, the green kind of washed out, so I made it red, and I made it strobe too. But yeah, Art saw this and said, boy, whoever thought a zombie baby in a basket's pretty creepy. That's a twisted individual. And I'm like, yeah, that's Blanca. For a few years now, we've been using these eco bars. They work really well. They put a lot of light on the porch, really light up our spider webs and anything white. There's really no need for any other lights up here. Now, I wanted to show you with fog tonight, but the bummer bit is the wind's kind of blowing the wrong direction. I would have to put the fogger on the other side of the yard. I don't have an outlet over there right now to give you the effect. But it's a cool effect when you got the fogger on the right side of the yard. Right now, it's just blowing into the neighbor's yard and out the driveway. So if this were to happen on Halloween night, I'd put the fogger just over on the other sidewalk and it should blow through the yard just fine. Also want to use a bubble machine. If I don't have that set up yet, I'll show you all that stuff on trick-or-treat night though. So that's it. There's Blanca's Spooky Disco Porch 2019. The only thing that I really got involved with was the fog, of course, and the ape light in the zombie baby cage. Hope you liked it. Stay tuned for more on trick-or-treat with a couple effects outside. Maybe we'll do some surprises. We'll see you next time. Practice and enjoy.